Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my first vlog. I am taking the advice of a bunch of wonderful women that are on a beauty chit chat group that I'm in, and I'm getting my brows done for the very first time. Yes, I'm 36 years old, but I have always plucked my brows. I've always been really worried about getting them done by anyone because they're so thin, and I'm afraid of having none when I'm done. So I'm going to the Benefit Brow Bar at Ulta, and I will take a before and after picture, and let's see how this goes. All right, see you soon. Bye guys. Hey guys, checking in. I just got my brows done at Ulta for the very first time. Not just at Ulta, I mean very first time ever. I've never had them done before. And the girl was super sweet. The only part that I'm not so sure about is the drawn on part. She did a fantastic job at cleaning them up. I think that looks really nice. But the part that's drawn on up here, I don't know what you guys think, but I feel like a clown. So it's definitely not something that I am used to. While I was there, I also got a sample of the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation that I'm going to try out and do a video on. And then also, because I have very little hair over here that needs to grow in, she gave me, or I bought, I should say, a small it's not a sample, a small version of the Benefit Brow Conditioner that's supposed to help grow in your hairs. So it takes about a month, and I will also do a video on this to see whether or not it works or gives any irritation. But overall, I'm not so sure what I think. Like I said, I love how they're cleaned up, but I'm not so sure about the drawn on part. That's just not something I usually do. So I hope you will subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day after going to Ulta Brow Bar to get my brows done for the very first time. I'm checking in today because this morning when I woke up, I have a lot of rawness right here, and right here. It stings quite a bit. I was trying to kind of cover it a little bit. God bless you. God bless you. So I'm going to Publix with my 3 little kids. God bless you. All right, so the problem I'm having is I'm wondering if this is normal. I'm kind of glad I didn't get that done right before going back to work teaching because it doesn't look very pretty. It looks like only the Bye Bye powder that I dusted on my face kind of stuck to make it look not so red. But is this normal? Is this something that will go away in like a day or two? I'm kind of hoping. And my other question is there anything I can do to kind of help with the stinging in the meantime? So if you guys could comment below and let me know, I'd love to hear what you guys think. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Bye!